At Richter, we know there's certain complexities that reside at the intersection of business and family, often regarded as separate interests, which is why our business family office supports business owners and their families throughout the entire journey, from the beginning of entrepreneurship, when business is very central in the owner's life, to the transition of wealth to the next generation, and every step in between. Stage 1, the entrepreneurial stage. Let's take an example. A private owner and their operating company. At this stage, the owner's focus is primarily on the business and their objectives. Questions and concerns that often come up in conversation at this stage could be, what's the status of my business today? Where do I want to be in 5 years? How can I build a long-term business strategy? And how should I grow my business to get there? Developing and executing upon a business strategy to achieve personal and ownership objectives is essential at this stage, and that's where we can support business owners via our business advisory expertise. There are many aspects that come into play at this stage, and at Richter, we create value throughout the entire journey. Firstly, a clearly defined growth strategy, which could include many elements such as market growth, geographical expansion, launching of new products, and a focused acquisition strategy. There's also performance improvement, including an assessment of divisional, market, and customer profitability, the potential exit or restructuring of underperforming segments, working capital management, operational efficiencies, and organizational design. There are also foundation elements such as audit and financial reporting, tax structuring and optimization, strong internal controls and systems, and a focus on risk management. Corporate finance is another aspect that will often need to be considered throughout the entire journey. What are the financial requirements to achieve our goals? How do we finance the company's growth strategy? Should the owner continue to fund it, or is there an opportunity to recapitalize the business and de-risk shareholder exposure? Important questions around succession will also arise. Do we need to professionalize management and bring in new team? Will the next generation be involved? Do we ultimately envision selling the business? If a sale of the business is being contemplated, it will need to be planned out and begin well in advance of a transaction in order to maximize value and limit disruptions to the business.